Namaskar, welcome to Government e-Marketplace. In this video, you will learn about the process of creating bid for a service. Open www.gem.gov.in and click on Login. Buyer needs to enter the user ID and password, then click on Submit. You will be directed to your home page. Click on Shop by Category. You may search your service by clicking on the Market tab and then Services, or else you may click on Shop by Category option and then Services. You may see all available service in this screen. You may search your desired service by writing the name of service in the search box. You may know more about the service by clicking on the Service or Show Detail option. Let's select Security Manpower Service to continue. By clicking on Service Details, you will be able to see the details of this service. By clicking on Service Level Agreement, you may read through the Service Level Agreement and if required, you may print the same. Enter Contract Start Date, Contract End Date, then enter minimum wage per shift including PF, ESI, EDLI, PF admin charges and other allowances if any in rupees. Enter number of service days in a month, then click on search. Select consignee and enter the delivery location and personnel needed. Click on OK. You will see all available service providers in the marketplace. In the left hand side, various filters are available. Select category of personnel, working days in a week. Administrative filter you can apply if required. As we have selected a service valued above rupees 5 lakh, you need to compare at least 3 different service providers. As soon as you add 3 services for the comparison, Compare tab will get activated. Click on Compare. Now you will be able to see the comparison sheet, comparison screen, where the first service in the list is L1. Select the required service by clicking on Add to Cart. Now you can review your shopping cart. You can also download your comparison sheet if required. For your future reference, click on Bid to continue. Then Confirm. Select Service to view the specification and select from the drop-down options available. You may also choose to put minimum capping on service charge. Minimum capping is the price below which bidders will not be allowed to quote. Please note, bid can be created without any minimum capping also. Click on Save, then Continue. You can view the consignee by clicking on the service. If required, you may also add additional consignees by downloading the consignee Excel sheet format. Click on Save. You will receive a pop-up confirming that the consignee has been saved successfully. Click on OK to proceed. Click on Continue. Now you have to select your bid duration. Please note that bid can be floated for a minimum of 10 days and maximum of 21 days. Bid end date or time is updated in accordance to the bid duration selected. To change bid time, click on Edit Time. Bid life cycle is fixed to 90 days, so buyer have to finalize the bid order within validity. Otherwise, bid will get expired. Select Bid Offer Validity. Seller offer will be valid for the duration specified in the bid offer validity. Also, update the contract duration. You may select participant eligibility criteria like annual turnover and project experience if required. Project experience will be calculated based on the following logic as shown on the screen. If you want any document from the service provider, click on Yes and mark against the option for the required documents. Select Yes or No to exempt or not to exempt verified MSE and certified startups from the turnover and experience criteria. Click on Save. Click on Yes if you want to request EMD from the service provider. Fill in the mandatory details such as advisory bank, EMD percentage, etc. Click on Yes if EPBG required and fill in the mandatory details such as advisory bank, EPBG percentage, etc. If you don't want EMD or EPBG, click on No and Save. Under Additional Terms and Conditions, click on the Group tab provided and select Clauses to add as additional terms and conditions. Select the relevant category to see the listed ATCs. Select the clause and click on Add. Clicking on the Edit icon, you will find a number of clauses. Follow the same process again and select Other Clauses. Click on Submit. Click on the check box to agree with the terms and conditions. Bid document successfully generated as you can see on the screen. If required, download and go through the same. Verify the OTP and publish your bid. Click on Verify OTP and publish. You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Then click on Verify. Your bid has been published successfully. You can now view bid details. Also, by clicking on bid number, you will get an option to cancel the bid or extend the bid.